All right, Stella here. Today we're going to learn how to vote for a Telos worker proposal. So we're going to go through all the steps. The first step is download the SQRL wallet. That's SQRL wallet.io. That's what it looks like. So after you've done that, make sure and realize before you vote, you have to stake a little bit for CPU, and you also have to vote for block producers. Now, in order to make this a lot easier, you can choose a proxy, and I'll show you how to do all that stuff. First, you're going to unlock your wallet. So put your password in there. And then you're going to look for the thing that says update staked Telos. So you can just stake a tiny bit. So like maybe if you only have one Telos, that's fine. You can stake like 0.02 or whatever you want in there. You hit OK and stake. Now you have successfully staked 0.02 for CPU, which is good. After you've staked some for CPU, you're going to go and vote for the block producers. So click on that governance tab up above there and then click on proxies. And that will bring you a list of people and organizations who have done the research on the block producers on the Telos blockchain, and they have informed choices. But you have to decide which proxy that you're going to use. So you might want to just do a little research or find some that you recognize on other chains. That's probably a good approach. So I like to use proxies because it's just so much easier. It saves me a lot of time. And I'm familiar with blocks.io. In fact, I've used blocks like a ton. So it's kind of like, all right, I like their products, and I Syed and everything. I've dealt with him a lot, so I trust him. Okay, that last transaction was the voting for the block producers using the proxy, so we got that done. Now we can go to the worker proposal. So you're going to click on proposals up there. Now here is a list of all the different proposals that are active, the ones that are coming up first. As you can see, I already voted for the scatter one, and I wanted to look and see this one that this Reddit crypto influencer targeted promotion proposal, which I voted yes for. There's a lot of no votes, but I mean, that's the thing about voting is that I get to decide who I want to vote for. So I think we should have a lot more on Reddit and Bitcoin Talk Forum and stuff, the regular crypto channels. So that's why I voted yes for that. And after you voted, it should come up like that. There it is, that I voted successfully for that. So after you've cast your votes, you want to check your votes on chainspector because it's so much easier to visualize everything. So go to chainspector.io, and then you're going to hit that little login button right at the top there. Login, and then you get this horrible thing that comes up. They need to change the user interface. But anyway, you hit OK on that. Now you're logged in. You can see your account at the top. And you're going to hit on the tab Governance. Governance brings up all the different worker proposals, and you can visualize how many people have said yes and how many people have said no. And also there's comments. So you can read the comments. People explain why they voted yes or no on there. And you have to actually vote, though, to place a comment. You can't just comment without voting. So that's a cool feature there. And so I voted yes for scatter, of course. I don't know where we'd be without scatter. Everyone should just get on here and vote yes for scatter. I mean, just do it. Just watch this tutorial and learn how to do it so that scatter, of course, gets passed. I'm sure they will. They already have like so many yes votes. So this is where I'm putting in a comment, and then you hit the button comment, and it should come in there at any point. I actually had some trouble getting it in there, but I'll have to review this. Man, whoever is designing the SQRL wallet, can you please fix that? Please fix that user interface. It's so crazy and technical. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. This has been another Meme My Coin special. Join us in Telegram, on Twitter, or YouTube, or Chirp, and we're also on Publish OX, that crypto agnostic platform. Until next time, this is Stella with Meme My Coin, and goodbye.